Sunlight pouring through the window. The smell of coffee fills the air. A slow moment in the morning light. With my favorite music playing, it's the start of my day. The alarm.
Hi guys! My name is Musmus and for today's video, i-share ko sa inyo ang aking skincare routine. Actually, wala naman talaga nag-request, pero i-share ko na lang sa inyo. I've been using this product since I think pandemic pa siya, around 2021. So, nakita ko lang siya sa Instagram and upon checking, maganda yung mga reviews, so why not i-try ko siya. So, i-share ko na aking secret, which is ang Noah Solutions. So, yung unang try ko is I tried their starter pack, which cost around $9.99 that time. So it consists of the niacinamide face bar, the other one which is the serum, the niacinamide serum Globus, and meron rin silang toner. So yeah, I tried it and up to today ginagamit ko pa rin siya. So I'm very satisfied with the with Noah Solutions. So parang hindi ko na siya bibitawan until forever. I-share ko sa inyo ang aking routine. So let's go. By the way guys, hindi pala to sponsored video, pero Noah Solutions baka naman. You know what I'm saying? So let's start the video. Honestly, ako talaga, hindi talaga ako mapimple na tao. Sawa ng Diyos, But, medyo oily yung face ko dati. Pero, yun nga, since ginamit ko na ito Noah Solutions, actually, yung customer service nila sa Instagram, I really like it because ang bilis nila mag-reply, tapos, very knowledgeable yung customer service ng Noah Solutions. So, sila yung nag-suggest anong bibilin ko na product nila. So, medyo nag-okay na yung pagiging oily ko. So, thank you so much. Siyempre, ang una natin gagawin is maghilamos. And, ang una nating product na gagamitin is ang Noah Solutions Niacinamide Face Bar. Benefits nito, it's paraben-free, gentle siya sa skin, at meron dito siyang niacinamide, syempre. Meron din siyang citric acid, hindi siya hapdi sa face, even though kakagamit mo lang nito. Based on my experience, wala naman nangyari sa akin hapdi. Mare-reduce ang dark spots natin, which is na-experience ko rin. Tapos, it makes your skin really healthier and glowier. So, na-experience ko rin siya. So, gagamitin natin to in 3, 2, 1, action! Charan! So, ayan guys. Sorry. Ayan. Tingnan natin yung skin. Zoom in natin. Diba?
Wow.
I feel refreshed. Using this Noah Solutions, even though I'm 31 years old, I feel young pa rin because of Noah Solutions. So, thank you for this. So, this is my face. Nakakaiyak. After natin i-apply ang niacinamide face bar, so next is meron rin silang Noah Solutions Deep Zero. Meron po siyang 2% salicylic exfoliant with Centella asiatica and azelaic acid derivative. So, gamit to siya pang exfoliate ng skin by penetrating into pores, and clearing blockage would occur in the form of excess oil. So, let's try this. Actually, gagamitin lang to siya, I think, use every other 3 nights, twice a week, and at maximum. So, meron natin cotton. Check natin, wait. Let's try. Nakaka-relax talaga guys. Yan. Ito talaga yung holy grail ko sa skincare. Simula na discover ko tong Noah, hindi na ako papalit talaga. Legit.
Yay!
Medyo madumi, pero yan talaga buhay. Pace. Last for tonight, meron tayong Globus Niacinamide. Ito yung, I think, limited edition to siya ng ano. But before, meron silang serum. Yeah. Tingnan nyo, kailang palit na ako. Actually, marami pa talaga. Ito lang yung, parang nagko-collect na ako ng ano, ng bottle nila. Baka naman, baka may deposit, charot. So, itong Globus Niacinamide, limited edition, meron siyang 8% rin na niacinamide and alpha-arbutin and hyaluronic acid. Nakakatulong to sa pag-reduce ng moisture loss and it also helps maintain a balanced oil level. The skin that minimizes the appearance of pores, giving the skin a smoother and refined texture. Meron siyang alpha-arbutin which helps manage the appearance of hyperpigmentation, which includes dark spots, age spots, and melasma, leading to a more even skin tone. And meron rin siyang hyaluronic acid, a powerful humectant that can provide intense hydration to skin. It supports skin's nature, elasticity that contributes to a more youthful appearance. So, let's go. So, apply lang natin siya. Good thing is, parang naka-droplet siya. Droplets. Natin. Don't worry, clean yung hands ko, guys. Yan. So, dito naman sa kabila. Actually, one drop lang talaga yung inaano ko sa both sides. Pero, for the video, dalawahin natin para realistic. Realistic. Ayan. Ayan. And actually pag gabi hindi ko naman siya ginagamit, pero pag morning or alis ako ng bahay, especially mainit ang panahon ngayon, kailangan talaga natin ng sunscreen, which is itong kanilang Noah Solution Sunscreen Air CC. Pakita ko na lang sa inyo. Kung sa iba po white yung color, dito is green. Wait lang. Ayan, green siya. Lalagay na lang ako sa face. Ayan. Ngayon, pag hinawakan ko, parang sobrang soft ng face ko. Soft naman talaga, pero yeah, I feel like a baby. Kasi ang kaibahan nito is, lightweight lang siya. Breathable finish also is mattifying to the skin with zero white cast. Yeah. So, that's it. And, meron pa lang runner-up. Meron rin silang, meron rin silang lip balm or lip serum, which is the Opal Lip Serum. So, para looking open. So, that ends our video for today. Maraming salamat po. Hopefully, you'll also support Noah Solutions. This is my way of saying thank you for them because Dahil rin sa kanila, mas nag-improve yung skin ko. And especially, sana supportan niyo rin po sila, okay? So, aside from that, dapat you have to take care of yourself and also eat nutritious food, sleep early, yun, yung mga basics natin. Dapat hindi natin makalimutan yun, guys. So, lahat ilalagay ko sa description box ang mga products ng Noah Solutions. Please support local kasi support local lang talaga. Okay? Muli, this is Moose Moose. And thank you so much. Nagpapala sa inyo, just be positive and think to the best yet to come. Bye!